Hey everybody, I'm getting ready to take dose number 8. Had a salad for lunch and grilled chicken. I'm trying to figure out what I want to eat for dinner. I was looking at oatmeal with my sweetener, and I'm not really hungry. I still have that, especially right now with it being Thanksgiving. You have a lot of commercials with food on it, so I'm just really like I'm craving food, but I'm not hungry. It's like I could go without eating, no problem. But it's just you see the commercials on TV, and it just makes you want to eat. But it just takes some willpower to get over. It's kind of like smoking. You know, when I quit smoking, you crave cigarettes. Once you get over the physical addiction, after 7 or 8 days or 10 days or whatever it is, then you just, it's just a habit of having to have that cigarette. And every once in a while I'll catch myself, oh, I want a cigarette. It's like, I ain't smoking 2 years. But it's just having the willpower to not do it, and to not eat. I'm not hungry. I want something, but because it's a habit. When I have nothing to do or I'm bored, it's just a habit to go get something to eat. That's why this diet really is great. Also, in another sense, that it teaches you certain habits. You get rid of the habits. After 30, 45 days of being on the diet, you kind of not wanting to, you don't have that habit of wanting to go get nothing to eat anymore. It kind of breaks those habits. But I did this diet 3 or 4 years ago, and I lost a ton of weight. So, and I've done it, I did it after that. Also, didn't lose so much, wasn't really motivated to do it as much as I did the first time. But this time I'm gonna lose about at least 40 pounds probably. I'm gonna get back down to like 180. Then I'm gonna stop. I don't want to lose any more than that. Even though I probably could, I don't want to. So 2 videos a day. So I'm a little bit behind on the uploading. It's gonna be another. I'm like a day behind probably, but that's okay. It don't matter. I'm having trouble with the GoPro also. I did an update. Now it won't connect to the computer. So I don't know what's wrong with that. So I'm going to try to figure that out. But now I'm going to take out the SD card, stick it into my computer, and then get my videos off of it that way, which makes it a lot more difficult. But I've been reading Pounds and Inches again, which is the protocol for this diet, and a lot of stuff I forgot. Didn't remember. 100 grams of meat, lean meat. I got some tilapia over there. I was thinking about eating tilapia tonight with some lemon juice, and I've got some. I forgot what it's called, but it's from the Philippines. It's kind of their lemon. Tastes a little bit different, but it's like calamari or something like that. But anyway, I'm not hungry. I want the good old-fashioned hamburger from Wendy's or Burger King or McDonald's, but I'm not really hungry, but I know I've got to eat some protein. So I was thinking about, like I said, maybe half a cup of oatmeal with the sugar in it, because that's like 110, 150 calories. But you got to make sure you eat enough protein. That's the problem. Just eating to be eating is not good. And so... and salt isn't an issue with this diet at all. You can have, I think it's 1 tablespoon of salt takes 2 liters of water. So if you eat 1 tablespoon of salt, and if you think about it, 1 tablespoon of salt is 2 liters of water is what it takes for your body to retain that salt. Like if you were to eat 1 tablespoon of salt, you would have to take in 2 liters of water. 2 liters of water is 2 pounds. And that's just for retention of the salt in your body. You can eat, like the lean cuisine I had. It had a lot of sodium in it. So you retain that water. which doesn't matter. I mean, it's going to go away as soon as you don't eat the salt. But what the diet basically says is you want to kind of eat the same amount of salt every day. You don't want to eat a half a tablespoon one day, then 2 tablespoons the next day, because then you're going to gain 4 pounds versus 2 or a pound. So then your weight will fluctuate a lot. People get frustrated, but I'm not worried about, like I said, I'm not worried about the numbers so much. I'm worried about when I go to work every day and I put my pants on, I'm going to know that that the diet is working, because they're going to get looser and looser and looser. Right now I have to wear pants that are my pants from an old job. They're the same pants. They're fire rated, but they're bigger. So I'm having to wear those, and then so as soon as I'm able to actually wear my work uniform pants again, then I'm going to know, and by how loose the pants are I'm wearing to work now. So that's how I gauge it, is how loose my clothes get. Like these shirts, even this shirt was tighter. Not saying that this diet's done in 3 days, but this shirt was tighter. My extra larges were getting tighter, and I was like, that's enough. I've got to go on the diet again. So that's what I'm doing. So anyway, I'm gonna take this dose here, which like I said, I believe this is dose 8. So this will be the 4th day, dose 8. Then I'm gonna figure what I'm gonna eat, and I'll record what I'm gonna eat, but I'm not gonna record me eating it, obviously. But I'm gonna do my half milliliter, and that will take care of today. And then I will get up tomorrow morning and do it all over again. But I need some light so I can see the numbers on this thing. Actually, what happens is the numbers wear off of this. Yeah, the number 5 is wearing off from handling it. That's just the problem. So there's 6, and there's 5. So okay, so anyway, I'm going to take this, and then I'll start recording again when I figure out what I'm going to eat, and I'll show you what I'm going to eat, and then turn it off. Then I'm going to upload the video. So I will do this, and I'll turn the video off. Okay, I'll be back. Alright, I'm back. I've been working for about an hour trying to get this GoPro to work. It won't connect to my computer. Something happened with the update. Everything was working fine, then I did an update, and then it quit working. It won't connect my USB, so I'm gonna have to get a micro SD thing for my computer, so I can just take the micro SD out and put the files on my computer that way, since it won't connect. Good job, GoPro. So anyway, I'm gonna eat oatmeal. I decided on some oatmeal for dinner, and that's what I'm gonna eat. And I've already taken the HCG, so as soon as I get me a adapter so I can now upload my videos, because my GoPro doesn't work because GoPro's update sucks, that's what I'm gonna have to do. So I'll be back.